Want to stay at an exclusive, chic, and modern resort that doesn't break the bank? Us too! So we went looking and found a gem. It is unlike any resort you have ever experienced. Located in the cool hills of Whitehall, Negril, Westmoreland, it already sets itself apart from the competition. Welcome to the Negril Sky Blue Resort. At the entrance, take your shoes off and step into the foyer with a gorgeous natural bamboo floor that has a glossy finish. The bamboo and wood furniture add a beautiful earthy touch. But the pièce de résistance is right in the center of the roof. It is a one-of-a-kind skylight. The awesomeness continues when we explore the rooms. Equipped with a doorbell, each room was modern, warm, and comfortable. We continued our exploration and found the second floor entertainment hall. We have one word to describe this room: enjoy. And we are off again because there is so much more to see. For instance, the third floor entertainment room, which has a bar, pool table, and a rooftop gazebo that will make you gasp in shock and awe. Because look at that magnificent view of the Negril Plain and beachside. After we relaxed on the gazebo, we played a round of pool. Then chilled by the pool. Then rested in the jacuzzi. And then explored some more. The Negril Sky Blue Resort is truly a gem in the hills of Negril, with a friendly staff, great food, and a beautiful property